If you're seeing the Squarespace error message that says something went wrong, don't worry, because in most cases this is fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons this happens and exactly how to solve it step by step. This is especially useful if the error appears when you open an e-commerce dashboard item, a product, or a collection page. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. First, let's talk about the most likely cause. If this warning appears when opening an e-commerce dashboard item, there's a good chance the item was created by duplicating an existing one. When that happens, Squarespace may carry over a broken or duplicated URL string, and that can trigger the error. To fix this, go to your main website panel, then open Pages. From there, find and open the problem collection grid directly. Once you're inside the collection, look for the item settings and find the URL slug field. This is where you want to make sure the slug is unique, clean, and in lowercase. For example, instead of leaving a duplicated or messy URL, change it to something simple like item new. After updating the slug, save your changes and then refresh the page to see if the issue is gone. If you still see the error, the next thing to do is run a private browsing test. Open a clean Incognito window in your browser and log into your Squarespace dashboard there. This is important because a private window gives you a fresh session without old browser data interfering. If the something went wrong box disappears in Incognito, that tells you the issue is probably isolated to your main browser configuration, not your Squarespace site itself. In that case, the problem is often tied to cached data, cookies, or browser extensions. Next, flush your cache and site cookies. Over time, browsers store old files that can conflict with how Squarespace loads your dashboard and content. Go into your browser history or privacy settings and clear both the cached files and the site cookies connected to Squarespace. Once that's done, completely close the browser, reopen it, and sign back in. This simple step can fix corrupted session states that cause the dashboard to misbehave or show the error repeatedly. If that still doesn't solve it, disable browser extensions one by one, especially privacy-focused extensions and ad blockers. These tools can sometimes block the scripts Squarespace uses to deliver its cloud-based layout and dashboard features. Even if the extension works fine on other websites, it may interfere with Squarespace behind the scenes. Temporarily turn them off, then reload the page and test again. If the error disappears, you've found the conflict. At this point, you've covered the main fixes: checking for duplicated URL slugs, testing in Incognito, clearing cache and cookies, and disabling extensions. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the Squarespace something went wrong error. If it helps, let me know in the comments what worked for you, because that can help other creators too. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace troubleshooting tips, website fixes, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.